welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, as much as I love to cook, and if you've been a part of my channel long enough, then you know I love to cook. But there are those days that I just want to keep it super simple and I don't want to stay in the kitchen all day. And I've been really wanting to do this video for a long time, just to let you know what I like to eat on those days that I just want to keep it super light, easy, and simple. And if you want to see what I like to eat, then just keep watching. So every single morning I begin my day by drinking some hot water with some lemon, and I sweeten it up with a little bit of honey, and it's really good for you. It cleans out your system and it just gives you that little extra boost that you need just to get through the day. So I've already done with my lemon water, so now it's time for breakfast. And actually breakfast really is my favorite meal of the day out of all the meals, and it's just really nice waking up to a nice warm bowl of oatmeal. And I went ahead and I measured out a half a cup of oatmeal, and I'm going to boil this in a cup of water, and I'm going to sweeten it up with some honey, and I'm going to chop up a banana here. And bananas is the only thing that I really like to eat with my oatmeal, so I'm gonna go ahead and prepare this and eat some breakfast. And of course, with my oatmeal, I always have to have a cup of coffee in the morning. I don't think a morning will be complete without it. And I'm just going to add a little bit of creamer just to sweeten it up. And that's pretty much my breakfast, you guys. So let me go ahead and eat, and I will see you back when it's time to make a snack. So during the day, whenever I want to munch on something or snack on something, I usually like to grab nuts, either walnuts or almonds or even cashews. I think they're great, they're delicious. I love the crunch, and they can really satisfy my hunger to get me through either to lunch or dinner. So if you ever saw my Trader Joe's haul, you would know that this is one of my favorite burritos that I always pick up whenever I go shopping at Trader Joe's. It's a black bean and jack cheese burrito, and I usually like to eat it with some hummus that I also bought at Trader Joe's. It's really great, really delicious, and it's so easy. You just pop it in the microwave for a minute or so, and then I usually like to have it with some hummus. So on those lazy days when I just don't feel like breaking out the pots and pans, this is what I like to eat for lunch. So for tonight's dinner, it's going to be super easy, super quick, and on those lazy days when I just don't feel like cooking, this is what I'm going to whip up. So of course I like salads, and if you know me, you know I love my spinach. So I'm going to use some spinach, I'm going to use some chickpeas, I'm going to cut up this tomato and avocado. I love avocados as well. And the best thing about cooking with seafood, and this is salmon, is that it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook, so it's really fast and easy. And this is my favorite vinaigrette. It's olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and Dijon mustard. And I'm just going to mix that together. And I'm going to sprinkle some, sea salt and pepper. And I'm going to drizzle this over my salad. So, yep, this is my dinner. dessert, I love this strawberry non-dairy frozen dessert made with coconut milk from Trader Joe's, my favorite store. And I love ice cream, but according to this, Trader Joe's non-dairy frozen dessert is like ice cream without the cream. And it's made with coconut milk, free from dairy and soy, as well as no artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives. So even though it's not technically ice cream, it's just as delicious. So I love eating this. So I gave you guys an idea of some of the things I like to have on those days when I just don't feel like being in the kitchen all day and I just want to lay on the couch and relax. And list down below on some of the things that you like to have on those days when I know you're in the same mood. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for a lot more videos. Until then, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.